There's something slightly puerile about a vote, or indeed a protest, which is going to have no effect. So the vote in the House of Lords last night, probably a whipping victory, really, for the Conservatives, with the 5 amendments which were voted down in the Lords, and therefore the illegal migration bill, Suella Braverman's illegal migration bill, will get through. It's not going to be everything that she wanted. She is certainly not going to be allowed to leave the European Court of Human Rights. And therefore, from that point of view, I suppose Jeremy Hunt is a winner. I don't think much of a winner, really. The bill waters down a few things, but it's still a vicious attack on freedom and on the responsibilities that we undertook in the 1951 Refugee Convention and so on. However, the question really is whether or not it's real. And while the Rwandan plan remains in legal limbo, this bill is unlikely to get off the table in practice, no matter what it does in theory. And I think it's possible this bill is simply there so that when it fails, the Conservative Party, the right wing of the Conservative Party, can turn around and finger jab at the Labour Party and the Liberals, who, oh my goodness, why are the Liberals up in arms and saying, oh, we did everything we could to stop this bill? So what? They're not big enough to stop this bill, number one. And number two, who cares what they think? Anyway, the finger jabbing will occur as we move into the next election, with the Conservatives saying that their illegal migration bill, which would have solved the migration problem, it wouldn't, has been scuppered by the woke left, by the lefty lawyers, by the trendy set, and so on. This bill is there, or this law, I should probably say, in anticipation. Proleptically, we should simply refer to it as a law now, because it simply requires royal assent by Friday, when the House of Commons quits for the summer. But at the next election, mark my words, this will be the finger-jabbing moment when the Conservative Party as a whole will be saying, this law would have solved all our problems, and you scuppered it, you lefty lawyers, you wokerati, you scum, you Ramonas. But the point is, this law wouldn't have solved the problems. And this law, no matter how far it gets, is still going to unravel and unleash all manner of legal problems, which will go on for years. This will be worse than the Horizon problem. This will be worse than Windrush in terms of the legal chaos that it is going to generate. And I'm sure Suella Braverman will be sitting back, rubbing her hands with maniacal glee, like some sort of crone at the beginning of the Scottish play. So there we are. There's a future job for her. Hubble, bubble, toil and trouble, in vain!